Hi, this is Stephen Rose with Praxey, and this is going to be a very short tutorial about how to initiate a call using the Praxey service. As you can see on my screen, I'm on the home page of Praxey, and on the right side of the screen is a mirror of my Android device. So we're going to go through this process. The first step you'll probably take when you want to make a call on Praxey is you'll arrive at somebody's profile. In most cases, they'll have sent you a link, or you'll have discovered a link through their marketing that will bring you to their profile. But you can also search for a link. You could search for somebody's profile by searching for something on Praxey. Let's say I have a sick pet and I need to talk to a vet. So I go into Praxey, I search pet. There it is. Now I'm on the person's profile page. This is the starting point, and this is the point that most people are going to get to first. You have this profile. This shows how much the person charges. It shows his per call minimum. It shows the account information about the account, description, social media. If you have any questions, I have a longer video on this, but for right now we're just going to go straight into clicking to create an account, which is very easy. I click here, it opens up this little field here where I can put in my information. This is going to be test account 5567 at Praxey.com and test account 567, password, watch the terms of use, agree to them, and create an account. And that's all it takes to create an account. Now you have a Praxey account. Notice we don't have an email verification, so make sure you spell your information correctly, because you're not going to get the emails if you don't. You will get an email immediately after this saying that we've created an account. And all you need to do now is put in your credit card. I'm going to put in some dummy information because this is a dummy server. Add the card. And now I have created an account and I have a card associated with it. And again, I can do this in my mobile browser, I can do it on my computer browser, or I can do this on the app. If you're in a mobile environment, we do encourage you to install the app because it makes for a bit higher performance on the call. But you don't have to. You can do it directly from your browser. So now I'm ready to make a call. Normally you would probably send a text message to ask the person if they're available, but I'm going to, for the sake of brevity, go ahead and straight up make the call. And watch what happens on the right side. It'll get a push notification ringing on his phone. Since this is a recordable account, I have the option to record it. If I record it, at the end of the call, both me and the recipient will receive a copy of both video and audio streams. I don't want to record this, so I'm going to say no thanks. Here you see the push notification coming. The phone is ringing. I click to open it, and the ringing page is up. Answer the call, and now we have a live video connection. The features on here are very similar to what you would expect from most video chat apps. There's a 30-second grace period up to the first 30 seconds. If you decide you don't want to continue with the call, maybe because the connection's bad, maybe because it's not linking correctly, you can cancel and there's no charge. After 30 seconds, now the minimum call charge kicks in. So make sure it's working right in the first 30 seconds by this clock. On the app, on the mobile device, you can toggle the camera, as you can see, from back to front, just as I've done. You can change the picture-in-picture around, corner to corner, or turn it off. And you can change the formatting of the stream you're getting. To turn the controls off or to hide the controls, just click outside of it. Same thing on the computer. Computer also offers screen sharing and full screen modes. If there's a problem with the call at any point, and one or both of the sides are from the web browser, you can refresh, as I'll do right now, and watch how quickly it comes back on. Within 5 seconds the call will be back on and everything will be refreshed, and this is something potentially you can do if there's a problem in the middle of the call. This will not harm your account or anything else. That's it. If you want to see a longer explanation, please look on this YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your time, and hope you have a successful first call on Praxey.